In the yesterday session, we discussed day one of a demo session. Okay, so this is day two. If anyone missed to attend yesterday's session, so we have shared that recorded session, right? Please try to go through it. If you are getting any kind of questions, you can feel free to ask us. Okay, then in today's session, means day two session, we will continue the discussion which is continuation for the day one. Okay, so in the yesterday session, means in the day one, what we have started and discussed in the yesterday session. So firstly, we have started about frequently asked questions, means everyone may have few questions, right? So regarding that, we have discussed mostly in the first 30 minutes duration, and then we have started a kind of a technical discussion later, right? In between that, few people asked their own questions, and we have started this technical discussion, right? So as point of this technical discussion, we just have started about CPDC, right? So what is this CPDC and what is this CDH? That point we discussed. After that, we have started about a framework. Okay, so after discussing about entire demo PPT, again, if we have some time, we'll try to discuss about the CDH framework and CPDC related certification once again. And then we have discussed about what is decisioning, right? So up to these points we have covered in the yesterday session, where we have 60 minutes of time, right? So today is day two. That's why I'm just trying to continue day one related remaining part. Okay, so in today's session, means in the day two, we are going to discuss about another few slides which we have to discuss. Okay, so where in today's session we will cover what is marketing. Okay, so what is marketing, and by combining with the decisioning part, after we discuss about decisioning and marketing related like business use cases related examples, we'll just start about NBA and NBO. Okay, so even both are sounds like same, but there is a difference. So what is the difference, and what are these NBA and NBOs in Pega CDH, that we will see. After that, what are different domains are using CPDC, okay, or CDH, what are different industries they are using, and what kind of certifications we can do if you want to go as like CDH related decisioning architect, what are the certifications are needed, and then what are different roles. Okay, what are different roles will be there. According to that, we'll see in today's session. After that, if even we have some time, then we'll try to explore about CDH application related architecture. Okay, CDH application related architecture, it's nothing but CDH framework application architecture. Okay, so all these points will cover in today's session, and if you are getting any questions in between, I'll just take the confirmation from everyone. Okay, for every 10 minutes or every 5 minutes, so then in between you can ask your questions if you have anything. Okay, so if no nothing, then we can proceed further. So as part of day 2 demo session, we'll continue our session. Okay, so this is the PPT we have started. Okay, so about this CPDC related certification we discussed, and what is CDH. So CDH is nothing but customer decision hub, and this is one of the best CDH related, like a core Pega related framework. Okay, so where we discussed about what is framework and all in the yesterday session. Anyhow, if we have some time in today's session, we'll try to repeat that once again. Okay, and then what is this decisioning and its importance? So this is also we discussed, right? So what is the main purpose of decisioning for any kind of applications, and whatever the industry it is, you need to take the decisions, right? Why the reason to take the decisions here? Mainly the purpose either it is to grow or to increase your sales or to retain your customers. Okay, so reason may be anything. You need to take some decisions, and that decisions you need to share to the customers via using different channels. Okay, then in this Pega decisioning part,
Yeah,
main
hello, hello. Hi, sorry to interrupt. Is anyone else
yes,
also
yes.
getting break in sound? Because I'm getting some break in sound in between. If anybody
Yeah,
else is
one
also
minute.
getting,
I'll take the confirmation from others. Give me 1 minute. Anyone
yeah.
else getting the same issue? My voice is breaking.
I am also facing the same issue.
Others also? If it is not happening to others, then you both can do one thing. So please try to reconnect once again. Okay? Madhuri,
It's not
Anurag,
happening to anyone else. Okay.
I think Nikita and Abhi for you only.
Okay.
This is happening. Others, if you give me the confirmation, then I'll check my connection once again.
We are not facing the
Sudhakar,
issue.
sorry?
We are not getting any breaking sound.
Okay, no issues you people are facing, and it is audible. Madhuri also
Okay, then
confirmed.
we'll.
Yeah, try to reconnect once again. If you are getting the same issue,
Okay,
then we'll see anything. Okay. Yeah.
okay.
So sorry for the interruption. We'll proceed. So here we just have started the discussion on decisioning, right? So in all core related Pega applications, they are combining this CDH framework. Okay. So by using CDH framework related features, along with that, by using AI related features. Okay. So mainly in all the compared to all the frameworks, AI related features they have included in the CDH. Okay, why the reason here? They are using some kind of models to predict the customer behavior. Okay, so based on the prediction of the customer behavior, then only from the organization they can able to promote the offers. Okay, so when they promote the offers to the right customer, then obviously their revenue and sales related increment will be happen, right? So that's what Pega decisioning is an AI driven customer decision engine. Okay, means they are combining AI features with Pega related features. Okay, then by combining those two features, they are improving their business more compared to prior times. Okay, and then mainly this is used to determine mostly what are the suitable offers to the customer. So in the yesterday also we have discussed a simple example, right? So what are the examples we have discussed in the yesterday session? Let's say if you take day to day, everyone may explore Amazon application, right? Then from this Amazon application, if you bought any kind of particular product relevant to that particular product, you may receive some kind of notifications, right? If you receive any kind of notifications which are similar to the products, or sometimes you may search for some product, okay, and you have added this product into your cart but not yet purchased. Okay, not yet purchased. Then after some time you may receive some kind of notifications via any kind of channel. It may be email channel, or sometimes you may receive some kind of calls, or sometimes you may receive SMS, right? So if it is related to this kind of retail related, like this kind of applications, you will receive the notifications through this kind of channels, right? If suppose if it is related to any kind of banking domains, then what we can expect, some kind of products, those may be related to loan offers, right? So these also you need to consider as different types of promotions. Okay, so to promote their loans related offers, they may use different channels, right? They may use different channels to promote the offers. At the same time, we may have another kind of offers with the banking domain. So that may be some kind of credit cards sales. Okay, so there inside of the credit cards, we will be having different types. Those are like standard card, rewards card, premium rewards card, and you may have like some kind of visa card, like this. Okay, so these all are different types of products for so and so HDFC bank or SBI bank, okay, whatever it may be. So as part of this bank, to increase their sales, they are trying to promote their products. Okay, so the standard card, rewards card, premium rewards card, all are products of either HDFC bank or SBI bank or some other bank. Okay, then why the reason they are trying to promote their products? To increase their sales. When sales are increasing, obviously what will happen? Growth of your organization will increase. Then when growth of your organization increasing, then finally revenue also increase more. Correct? So this is how you need to use decisions related features to predict the customer interest. Okay, to predict the customer interest. Then here, if you have different products, okay, then all these products may not be suitable to the customer profile, right? So few customers may get some kind of products related offers, okay, and other customers may get some other products related offers notifications. Then why the reason here? What is happening? So there are many reasons are involving in the backend. So suppose if customer is having their age above 45, okay, then you need to check also their annual income. Okay, along with that you need to check their credit score. Okay, after that, if they want to promote any kind of loans related offers or any credit card related offers, again they need to check some kind of legal policies, right? Then is the customer is financially vulnerable or not? Okay, these kind of conditions also we need to check. And that customer is having any kind of bankruptcies, okay, any kind of bankruptcies. So all these things you need to check. So what are these financially vulnerable and bankrupts related stuff here? If customer have taken some loan, then on time he's not paying that monthly EMIs, or he's not paying that payment to the bank on time, then that customer profile we need to consider as he is not financially vulnerable person. Okay, like this we need to check all these conditions. Along with that, based on customer interest, okay, based on customer interest also we need to check. Then what happening here, how to check the customer interest. Okay, let's say you have promoted standard card using all channels. Okay, using all channels, but customer have seen the offer. Okay, customer have seen the offer, but no response received. Okay, no response received. Then again after 3 days, let's say as per bank policies, after 3 days again you are trying to promote, same offer to the same customer. Okay, same offer to the same customer. Again if that customer is not accepting, again customer not accepted the offer or rejected. Okay, then what we need to do here, when you are not receiving any kind of response, you need to check how many times. Okay, how many times you have contacted the customer, and you need to check outcome. Okay, so what is the outcome you are receiving as a response? Is it accepted or rejected or some kind of clicked? Okay, when he clicked means there is a possibility to accept, or just he have some interest. So based on the outcomes and how many number of times you have contacted the customer, you need to store this information. You need to store this information in the interaction history. Okay, then this interaction history you have to give as a input, to the models. Okay, as a input to the models. Then by based on the historical data, by combining AI features, they are predicting the propensity value. Okay, they are predicting the propensity value. So what is this propensity here? Propensity is nothing but likelihood to accept, or likelihood towards the particular product. Okay, likelihood towards the product. Then based on this propensity value, if it is more, then customer is more interested to get that offer or to accept that offer. If propensity value is less, then next time whatever the standard card you promoted to the customer, don't repeat that same thing next time. Okay, so then based on the other factors, you need to send either premium rewards card or rewards card or standard card. Don't repeat standard visa card, and don't repeat this standard card once again, because limit is already reached and customer is not yet responded properly. Then even if you promote that same offer to the customer, no use. Getting my point, everyone? Any confusion still now? Please respond once. And are you able to understand my use cases here?
One doubt, if the customer clicks on that particular link or visited the website, how it going to take the thing in interactions?
So by using some kind of services in the backend. Okay, so all the technical stuff we can discuss in the coming sessions, but you asked me, right? That's what I'm just raising this point. By using services in the backend, okay, we are establishing the connection. So using the service called capture response API, you are going to capture the outcome into the IH. Getting my point? So there, as part of this capture response API service, you need to send some input request JSON. Okay, so what is that input request JSON we have to send here? We need to include the subject ID. Okay, So what is the subject ID here in the technical term? It's a customer ID. And then we'll be having what is the offer and what is the outcome. Okay, and what is the random generated IHID. Okay, like this few other properties also we have to send. Even if I tell you now, sometimes you may get the confusion. Okay, because all those things we need to cover one by one slowly. Getting my point? Nikita, I think you asked me the question, right?
Yes, yeah, same thing will be followed for both accepted, rejected also.
Sorry?
We have other things like when the customer accept the offer or reject the offer or click on the link. For three
Whatever.
scenarios, same back. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever it may be, because here you are capturing the outcome. So outcome is a property which is going to hold py. Outcome is a property. This will hold the customer outcome. Either it may be accepted, or it may be rejected, or it may be clicked, or just have seen like impression is captured. Okay, whatever it may be, that is associated with the py outcome property.
Okay.
Clear? Yeah. So we have started this first slide, right? So the main purpose of decisioning is, till now we discussed to promote any kind of offers to the customer when customer is interested towards your offer as a organization. Then customer may accept the offer. If acceptance rate increased, automatically sales of your products will increase. Then growth of your organization also will increase, right? That is the main purpose they are using the decisioning here. Okay, and then what is marketing? Generally think it just like whatever the decisions are taken by the decisioning part by using CDH features. By using the marketing, you are promoting that using the channels. Okay, so marketing will help you to use different channels to promote offer to the customer. Okay, then so whatever the offers are finalized by the Pega decisioning will be delivered to the different customers through the different channels. That means what? So here you have finalized the standard card, rewards card, and premium rewards card. So there are different offers. Okay, then you have 100 customers. You have 100 customers. Among these 100 customers, maybe 10 people are suitable to receive standard card. Okay, remaining 10 may be suitable to receive rewards card. Like that, there are like 40 people are suitable to receive premium rewards card. They are categorized in a backend by configuring some CDH features. Those are contact policies, suppression rules, engagement policies. So by using all the different features of CDH, finally these offers are finalized. Then whatever the logic using decisioning you finalized by using marketing features. Okay, here marketing features are nothing but which will help you to give or to calculate some kind of values. Okay, and if you want to find customers data, okay, customers data, and want to pass some conditions, then we can use some kind of segment related marketing rules along with campaigns. Okay, along with campaigns in the backend and action rules, treatments. Okay, by using different channels we are promoting. Those channels are email channel, SMS channel, web channel, some kind of call center related channels. All those things we have differently. Okay, then by using CDH decisioning features, some offers are finalized, right? So Then by combining with the marketing features are nothing but which will help you to find who are the eligible customers. Then this will give you a random number, right? So out of 1000 customers, 100 customers are eligible to receive the offer. Then only to that 100 customers you can run the campaigns, and you can promote via email, SMS, web, like via different channels. And these action and treatments are some kind of technical related rules. Those we will discuss in the coming sessions. Okay. So here, Pega marketing feature, which will help you to promote the offers which are finalized by the decisioning. And there are different channels are there, as we discussed: email channel, mobile application, web channel, call center related channel. Like this, there are different channels. Each channel will responsible to display offers on different applications. Okay. So email, which will help you to share some kind of personalized offers directly delivering to the customers inbox. Okay. 1 minute. హలో, క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. Okay. So we have a mobile channel. So we'll be having inbound, like some kind of mobile applications, right? So through that mobile applications, if you want to receive any kind of SMSs, and sometimes we may receive some kind of notifications on mobile applications, right? Then this kind of channel will help you in such situations. And website, so this web related channels will help you to display the offers on websites. Okay. So if you log into HDFC Bank, somewhere in the login screen they will display offers which are there with the HDFC Bank. Okay. Then they are using a channel called web channel in the backend configuration. Okay. And call center means, suppose sometimes from the bank they'll approach you, sometimes customer may approach the bank because of some issues they are facing. Then after sorting your issue, to the customers, bank will promote some kind of offers, right? So to your profile there are some offers are there. So if you add this, that will be helpful to your profile. Like this, they'll guide you, right? So that there are different ways to promote offers to the customer. Okay. So that's what Pega, as part of this core Pega application, by combining the CDH features, finally we can promote the products, we can promote the offers. Then if customer accepted the particular offer, there is a benefit. Definitely revenue of your organization will increase, and one-to-one customer experience also will increase. Okay. So here we are collecting each customer's response, right? Then based on this customer response which you are collecting now, from the next time you will not repeat the same thing. Correct. So this is how Pega marketing and decisioning features are helping us to achieve best results. Getting my point, everyone? Any questions till now? Just let me know once any questions. And is it okay with my flow? Am I going fast or anything? So please give me the confirmation once any one of you, no problem. In the chatting window, please try to give me the response.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry, Anurag?
Yeah, it's okay. Flow is good.
I missed. Okay, it's okay, right? So yeah, we'll continue with the remaining slides. So till now we have discussed about what is decisioning and what is marketing related. Some kind of business examples also we discussed. Next, we are going to discuss about this NBA and NBO. Okay, so why business actually needed to finalize this NBA or NBOs, that we'll see. And why business also need decisioning. Actually this point we have covered, but we will discuss but it's okay. So first point we have covered what is decisioning, second what is marketing also we have covered, and third one which we have what is NBA or NBO. Okay, so before going to tell you about simple definitions, first we'll see with the examples. Okay, so here first try to understand NBA is the next best action. Okay, NBO, this is next best offer. Okay, so even you are trying to promote either next best action or next best offer to the customer. Okay, first we need to understand which one is first. Okay, which one is first. So at current customer situation, at current customer needs, which is mainly suitable to the customer profile, that you need to consider as next best action. Okay, then whenever if customer is in that particular need, if you promote that same offer, there are more chances that customer may accept the offer. And one more thing, here we need to combine both customer needs. Okay, we need to combine both customer needs along with business needs. Okay, so what are these customer needs and what are business needs here? So customer needs are nothing but at current customer situation, he is interested towards standard card. Okay, let's say. And business needs are nothing but if they trying to promote premium rewards card, that will give you that will give more benefits to the organization, even the standard card and premium rewards card both are suitable to the customer profile, but by checking some kind of back end arbitration logics. Okay, arbitration logics, this arbitration logics will give you the priority. Okay, the priority of the particular offer, then what is the use of this arbitration here? By using some kind of arbitration logic in the back end, which will help you to finalize the offers. Okay, then which will return the priority among the standard card and rewards card, which is having more business value. So based on the business value, you need to promote that offer to the customer. Okay, then that offer you need to consider as next best action. And next best offers are nothing but here standard card, premium rewards card, both are suitable. Those you need to consider as next best offers. But at current situation, which is more profitable to your organization as well as to the customer, that you need to check. Then you need to consider that particular finalized offer as next best action. So clear everyone? So let's say, suppose if I have to give simple generic example, you are suffering with some cold. Okay, you are suffering with some cold, then your mother offered hot rasam. Okay, hot rasam to you, and your friend is there. And he is offering ice cream. Okay, let's say. Then at particular current customer situation, which one is more suitable? Any one of you please respond here. Yes, please give me the response once.
Russell.
So any one of you please try to respond. So Rasam, right? So why I'm just asking you this question, because it is very simple to respond. When you are suffering with some cold, if they offer you the ice cream, is there any chance to accept this? No, or very less chances. Very less chances who are ignoring their health. health, they only accept this ice cream if they are really just suffering with the cold. Then if your mother just offered some hot rasam, there are more chances because this will help you to cure your problem. Then that is how this hot rasam you need to consider as next best action. Okay, next best action. This ice cream, suppose if you don't have any cold, then as a person, if they offer rasam and ice cream, there are more chances you can accept this particular one, right? Getting? So this you need to consider as like offer. Okay, this offer is nothing but it's like a gift. They are just trying to offer you. These all are you need to consider as next best offers. Okay, so next best offers may be many, but next best action to the customer profile is one. Okay, so this is how you need to differentiate what is next best action and what is next best offer. If suppose I have to explain technically, then you have different situations. Okay, so here you need to consider actions are anything. Okay, actions are nothing but actions are offers. The technically actions may be any kind of messages. Okay, messages which are important to send to the customer. Okay, and actions may be offer related messages or information you can consider. Along with that, some kind of survey related. Okay, some kind of survey related messages also we can deliver, right? So here actions are nothing but next best actions are nothing but you need to consider those are the content, those are messages which are very important to send to the customer, or some kind of product related offers, that those may be, or some kind of survey related to your organization. Then actions are you need to consider as next best actions which may be suitable to delivering a general message or to promote their offers or to promote the some kind of survey related offers, whatever it may be, anything. Okay, then for example there are different things you need to promote. Okay, those are nothing but you are trying to send offer or message which is related to update profile. Okay, another one, you have another one. Okay, that is related to, suppose I'm trying to give you one example which is technically you can understand here. Okay, so you are trying to promote credit card. Okay, credit card. Along with that, you are promoting update KYC and some kind of other related offer also you are promoting, like you can upgrade or you can move from some kind of gold card to platinum card. Okay, let's say. So these three are different offers. One is related to some kind of promotional related product message. Okay, another one is related to your organization. This is mainly important one because this update KYC is a legal one which is very important, they have to do. And then there are the situations you can promote platinum card if customers are holding golden credit card. Okay, then here how next best action selection will happen here. Even credit cards related offer also suitable to the customer profile, and this gold credit card to platinum credit card moving also suitable. and update KYC also suitable to the customer profile. Then what will happen here? Here, compared to all these three offers, which is very important here. So let's say to these credit cards, you may have propensity like 0.50, and to the update KYC, you may have 0.85. To this platinum card, you may have 0.55. Then among these three, which one is having more value? Just let me know once. So this propensity value, how it is calculating? Okay, you may get this question, how this propensity value is calculating? By using models in the back end, this propensity value is calculating, no problem. And then whatever the offer is having more propensity value, that is promoting as the next best action. Getting my point, everyone? Clear, right? Because as part of business rules, they'll give main priority to the mandatory regulations by Reserve Bank of India. Like this, they'll follow some kind of mandatory rules, right? Those are business rules. So without this update KYC, let's say you don't have this update KYC offer, then among these credit cards or upgrading platinum card, which one is having more propensity value, that offer you can promote to the customer. So getting my point, everyone? So what is exact difference between NBA and NBO? Clear? Anything from your end? Okay. So here, so what is NBA and NBO? Now we'll see the technical definition. Even both are sounds like same. Next best action, next best offer, but there are differences. What are that? Next best action is nothing but taking the right decision at right time to the right customer. Okay. So at particular customer current context, means current situation, is it you are promoting a proper offer or not? If you are promoting a proper offer, there is more chances customer can accept. Okay, so this next best action you can consider as it's like a goal. Okay, so next best offer, that is nothing but you have many offers with you. What are most relevant offers to the customer profile? You are just recommending to that customer. Okay, what are suitable to that particular customer profile, you are just recommending. It's not like that always that customer should accept that. Okay, so this next best offers generally will help you to increase the sales. This is always in the point of business only. Okay, but next best action is not like that. Next best action will consider both customer situation along with the business rules. Okay, so this is what the difference between NBA and NBO. Okay, and what are the benefits of using this NBA here? So to follow this procedure, finding the next best action. Why the reason here in the Pega CDH is to improve the customer engagement with the organization. Okay, why the reason here? If you are suppose you are the customer, you are the student, you are trying to attend CDH demo now, but our team has shared some kind of Salesforce or Appian related link. Then what will happen? Generally what will happen, you may lose the interest because they have sent a wrong link to join, and there may be different reasons. There is a time based process, and you may not feel good because they are sharing a wrong information. Then what will happen? Obviously, you may leave our institute and you will search for the next option, right? So instead of doing that, if you are asking for CPDC link, if they share the same link, then what will happen? Obviously, you will attend for the demo session, and if you are impressed with the demo session, you will attend the regular training, right? That's what finally you are student of Harsha Trainings, then what will happen here? Engagement with the student happened between the training institute and student. So that's what personalized customer experience will increase by sending the next best actions only. Then that will improve the satisfaction. Okay, then what will happen? Higher conversion rate. So as simple example I have explained, right? So if you are sending the proper and suitable offer, there are more chances that customer can accept that offer. Then what will happen? Obviously conversion will happen. Okay, then if converted customer is converted, finally that will improve the response rate, along with the revenue also increase more. Okay, so when conversion rate increased, this revenue also will increase. Okay, so better resource allocation will reduces the wasted marketing spend. Okay, means if you invest some amount on marketing, doing the marketing, if customer is respond, okay, if suppose we are trying to promote some courses from organization, then if student is responding properly, that will not waste our amount, right? So in the same way, and operational efficiency also will increase, means so faster response will enhance as the customer engagement. So how fast you are responding to the customer messages and customer related queries, that will obviously will increase your customer faith, correct, towards your organization. So this is what main use you need to promote, or you need to finalize the next best actions by using different features of Pega CDH. Okay, so why business needs this NBA here? To maintain customer engagements. This is we are discussing from last 10 to 15 minutes, right? So to maintain customer engagements by providing some on-time offers, okay, at the right time. Even if you are not sending on a proper time, there is no use. So you need to check customer situation along with the right offer and at right time. Okay, with the right offer. So yeah, this will help both for the organization as well as the customer. And what are different ways you can do promote? Okay, so generally there are different types of marketing strategies. You can contact the customer, and customer may contact your organization, right? So inbound marketing and outbound marketing, there are two ways to promote the offers. Inbound marketing means, suppose if customer is not satisfied with your services, then his raising a call. Okay, then if you promote the offer, that is a inbound marketing. Outbound marketing means you are reaching the customer by sending some kind of promotional emails or some kind of promotional calls, or you are trying to display some kind of offers on website. These all are you need to consider as outbound marketing. Okay, means you are reaching the customer is not reaching you, then that is a outbound marketing. Okay, so what are the examples of inbound marketing here? That may be customer call center. Means suppose if customer is not satisfied with your services, then he is raising a call. Okay, then that is a inbound marketing. And website means when customer is logged into your website, that is a inbound. Okay, retail centers, these are also considered as inbound marketing. Okay, and then we have outbound marketing category, right? So you may send some kind of offers via using SMS channel, email channel, or some kind of campaign. So here campaigns are nothing but which will help you to share the information to bulk customers. Okay, so by scheduling the time intervals, you can able to run the campaigns. Getting? So we have WhatsApp campaign, email campaigns, like this also we have different types of ways to promote offers. Okay, and then, so what are the different industries are using this CDH framework? Okay, just plug in my charger. Yeah, so industries which are using CDH framework here, banking related domains are using, healthcare related domains are using, telecom and some kind of retail applications also using CDH framework. Okay, then financial services are using to promote some kind of personalized offers. Okay, those are nothing but either maybe credit cards or some kind of loans or some kind of investment related products, whatever it may be. And along with that, they are using this for the purpose of fraud detection. Okay, so some kind of fraud detection situations also they are using this CDH features, because in the CDH features to detect that fraud, like is that customer is genuine or he's not a loyal one, we have different features, so that this banking financial services are using CDH. Okay, and healthcare related one. So generally, if a customer, sorry, if a patient have an appointment with the hospital, okay, then they can send reminders, right? So whenever if they scheduled their particular OP on that particular time before 15 minutes or 20 minutes or before one day, you can send some notifications either through email or some SMS message or from some other call centers, like by doing a call you can remind that, right? Then this healthcare related domains also using CDH. Okay, so to optimize patient journeys means this will help you to recommend right offers using the CDH features. Okay, and retail bank, like a retail related applications also they are using CDH features, so which will help you to create some kind of best shopping experience. They are using this because if customer added few products to their cart and they left that without proceeding with the purchase, then after a week or after 15 days they are sending some kind of reminder, right? Some kind of reminder message, cart is abundant, without proceeding with the purchase, please have a look, right? Then there are some chances customer may accept, correct? And we have telecom domains. So telecom related domains also they are using CDH features, because suppose customers are using some kind of data plans. Okay, 1 GB per day or 1.5 GB per day, then even that data is not sufficient to the customer. Okay, then what you need to do here, based on the customer interest, you need to provide more packages. So suppose for 6 months you will get this much of data package, like this, with less price. If you promote the offer, there are the chances customer may accept, right? So like this, by combining with the different industries, this CDH related framework is working. Okay, and yeah, so what are the different roles we may get with the Pega decisioning and marketing here? As a business analyst, you can work, and as a decisioning architect, like a developer, also you can work, and only to implement these strategies. Okay, in the back end strategies, you can work as like a market strategist and data scientist role. Means when you are trying to work with the models, those are predictive models, adaptive models, some kind of algorithm related configurations, then data scientist role also there with the CDH related like this applications. Okay, so this is what about different roles. And what are the certifications? If you are learning Pega decisioning and marketing, means CDH framework, what are the certifications we can do? First, it is needed to do CSA certification, and then you can do directly CPDC certification. Okay, so Certified Pega Decisioning Consultant, this is one certification which will acts like a proof you have that knowledge on CDH framework. Okay, and then you can do certified data scientist also if you have knowledge on some kind of Python and some kind of back-end algorithm designings. If you have the knowledge, you can do this data scientist related certification also. Okay, so yeah, this is what about our day 2 demo session. Till now, if you have any questions with you, so please try to ask. Any one of you please respond. And till now we discussed this PPT, right? Along with that, we have discussed about NBA, NBO, and also we discussed what is the framework and what is CDH and CPDC. All these things I'll attach in today's Google Classroom. So our team will share you the documents via WhatsApp message. Okay, so you can check it out once. Tomorrow, like tomorrow after maybe 9 or 10, our team will share the documents and you can check. Okay, so any questions, any one of you? So just give me the confirmation. So do we have any prerequisite to work on? Yes, as I mentioned, you need to have the knowledge on creation activities, some kind of data transforms, service rest rules. Okay, because that is a needed thing, right? In the application level also, that is what, right? Even in the application level also, you have to maintain the knowledge if what are the different rules they have referred in the strategy or in other related rules that you need to know. So if you have up to CSA level knowledge, means creation of properties, sections, activities, data transforms, and some kind of decision rules, logics, that is fair enough, no problem. And nowadays for CPDC situation also, it's going fine. My question is to have this framework in Pega, or do we have any? No, this CDH itself, it is a framework, right? So if you want to utilize the CDH features, first you need to add this CDH framework on top of your like a basic your Pega related basic layer. Okay, so in the tomorrow session, anyhow, we'll see what is the backend architecture of CDH framework, and then we'll see different components which are there with the CDH related applications. Okay, so if no questions, we can wind up this session and thank you everyone. No questions, right? Is it cover campaigns, batch real-time data flows? Yes, we will cover this campaign related executions and data flows also.